Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 6 to the power of x is equal to 12. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I have log 6 to the power of x is equal to log 12. Now, an important property of logarithms is that, let's say I have log a to the power of b. I can actually move this exponent b to the front of the logarithm. So this is going to be equal to b times log a. So now for log 6 to the power of x is equal to log 12. For log 6 to the power of x, we can think of a as 6 and b as x. So if we want to change it into the form b to the power of b times log a, I'm going to move this exponent x to the front of the logarithm. So now this will be equal to x times log 6 is equal to log 12. Now I can divide both sides by log 6. So then these two cancel out, and I would have x is equal to log 12 over log 6. Now, log 12, this is the same thing as log 6 times 2. And for logarithms, an important property is that if we have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. And the same obviously applies vice versa. So for x is equal to log 6 times 2, log 6 times 2 would be equal to log 6 plus log 2. And we're dividing this by log 6. So now we can rewrite this as log 6, over log 6 plus log 2 over log 6. So for log 6 over log 6, those two cancel out, so that would equal 1 plus log 2 over log 6. Now, log 6, I can rewrite as log 2 times 3. And remember, if we have something in the form log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So that we have x plus 1 plus log 2 over log 2 times 3. This would equal log 2 plus log 3. So I have log 2 plus log 3. Now, the value of log 2, if you plug this into a calculator, it is approximately 0.301. And the value of log 3, if you plug into a calculator, it is approximately 0.4771. So we have x equals 1 plus log 2, which is 0.301, over log 2 plus log 3. So 0.301 plus 0.4771. So now I have x is equal to 1 plus 0.301 over 0.301 plus 0.4771 is 0.7781. Now 0.301 over 0.7781 is 0.3868. And finally, 1 plus 0.3868 is 1.3868. So this is our answer. So we have 9 to the power of x is equal to 18. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now I have log 9 to the power of x is equal to log 18. Now, an important property of logarithms is that, let's say we have something in the form log a to the power of b. We can actually move this exponent b to the front of the logarithm. So this is going to actually equal b times log a. So I'm going to use this property on log 9 to the power of x. So we can think of 9 as a and x as b. So I'm going to move our x here to the front of the logarithm. So this is going to equal x times log a. So now I have x times log a is equal to, sorry, it's not a, it's 9. So I have x times log 9 is equal to log 18. Now we want to isolate x, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and divide log 9 on both sides. So now I have x is equal to, because these two cancel out, log 18 over log 9. Now 18 is equal to 9 times 2. So I'm going to rewrite log 18 as log 9 times 2. And now we're dividing this by log 9. So now, if I have a logarithm in the form log a times b, this is actually equal to log a plus log b. Because remember, if you guys already didn't know, when you're adding logarithms, you're technically just multiplying the two numbers in front of the logarithms. So now log 9 times 2, this is going to equal log 9 plus log 2. So now I have log 9 plus log 2 divided by log 9. And now, this is the same thing as log 9 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. All I simply did was I divided this into two parts, because remember, if you add these again, you'll simply get log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. So now, log 9 over log 9, these two would cancel out, so this is the same thing as 1. So I have 1 plus log 2 over log 9. Now, log 9, well, 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So now if I replace 3 squared for 9, I get x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 3 squared. Now remember, property of logarithms, that states that if we have something in the form log a to the power of b, we can move our exponent b to the front of the logarithm, so this would equal b times log a. So log 3 squared Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of 9 minus 2 to the power of 8 equals 4 to the power of x. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite 2 to the power of 9 as 2 to the power of 8 times 2 to the power of 1. Because remember, if we have a to the power of x times a to the power of y, this is equal to a to the power of x plus y. And I'm still subtracting this with 2 to the power of 8. And this is equal to 4 to the power of x. Now, since we have two terms with 2 to the power of 8, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor 2 to the 8 out of this expression. So now 2 to the power of 8 divided by, if we take out 2 to the power of 8 from 2 to the power of 8 times 2 to the power of 1, we're simply just left with 2 to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 2. And minus 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 8 is 1. And this is still equal to 4 to the power of x. Now, 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So 2 to the power of 8 times 1 equals 4 to the power of x. Now, 4 to the power of x, this can actually be rewritten as 2 squared to the power of x. All we did was we replaced 4 with 2 squared. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 8 times 1 is simply just 2 to the power of 8. Now, an important property of exponents is that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is equal to 2 to the power of 2 times x, which is the same thing as 2x. And this is still equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now, because we have the same bases, then that must mean our exponents here, these two must be the same as well, because this equation would not be true if these exponents are different, meaning that our exponents are the same, meaning a equals 2x. And now, as you can see, we have a simple equation, and we just want to solve for x now. So if we divide by 2 on both sides, these two cancel out, and we get 8 divided by 2 equals x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So x equals 4. And this is our answer.